Oh, honey is fine. It's 60% fructose, 40% glucose. It's natural. The bees make it, and it's wonderful. But you know what? If I was in the wild, man, I'll never get up there. So maybe if someone dropped it and I got some honey once a year, I'm lucky. What I'm trying to say is that it's not an available natural product to you all the time. So what we do is we start using it every day. It's a rare thing to come across a honey thing in the wild, in a normal state. So yeah, I don't mind honey. I'll have it. I'll have it maybe once every 2 months. So don't use it every day. What I do use quite a lot of, and I know this is going to sound crazy, is bee pollen. Now, I love bee pollen. You put that with a little bit of food, and you just put it on your cereal or whatever your probiotic. And you all should be on probiotics like kefir, because you're killing because the antibiotics are killing your gut bacteria every day. So you should all do that. So that's what I use, but I don't use honey. Now once in a while I'll have honey, once every 2 months, but don't make it a regular thing. It's extremely high in fructose. So, and if you're going to take it, it's really literally 1/4 teaspoon.